Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2020 Ford Transit 250 with 32,390 miles. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include Bluetooth, keyless entry, a backup camera, reverse sensors, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck, it's your business.